Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix GTA 5 Rage plugin hook crash, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. Alright, first thing you need to do is go to your search bar and type in virus and plant. Once done, just click on the system setting right here. Click on that now, and what you're going to do is simply open the Rage plugin, and what you're going to do is locate the plugin, which is located in the game directory itself. For example, here I have GTA 5 installed in Steam, so I'm going to go ahead and open Steam, Steam Apps, and then Grand Theft Auto. As you can see, I have a fresh install of GTA 5. So what you're going to do is take the Rage plugin hook, double-click on that, and it will pop up here in Defender. Alright, once you have it here, let's go ahead and click on that, and there will be a drop-down. Just click on Allow. Once you are done, go to your protection history. It will show your allowed threads right here. Once the plugin has been allowed, just go ahead and reopen it here. You'll be good to go, and that's it. You're done.